SWOT analysis of utilizing Microsoft Copilot Studio in manufacturing. Microsoft Copilot Studio allows you to create a smart AI assistant that can potentially transform how manufacturers operate. In this video, we will look at the SWOT analysis of using Copilot Studio in manufacturing. Let's explore the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of leveraging Copilot Studio in manufacturing. Let's start with the strengths. With smarter, AI-assisted project scheduling, predictive equipment maintenance, and streamlining operations with automation, you can achieve radical improvements in performance. Without proper budget planning, effective training, and clean data, your Copilot might not perform at its best, leading to setbacks and lost opportunities. With Copilot, you can be innovative and discover more efficient ways to ensure sustainability and growth. Its AI-powered insights also make it easy to scale your business rapidly and adapt to shifting market dynamics more quickly. Cybersecurity and increased competition by early adopters remain a threat for businesses looking to tap into the technology today. Evolvous is a Microsoft Gold partner offering customized Copilot consulting to optimize AI implementation. We also offer personalized training to upskill the workforce and drive innovation by mitigating security threats. Microsoft Copilot and its AI capabilities can radically transform manufacturing and thrive the competitive landscape of Industry 4.0. Let evolve for the future, today.